Okay, so hopefully you've read these pages before I explain them. You should read them first because you'll get a lot more out of it. So, motion maps, as you must have read so far, is that essentially we are representing objects' motions on this line here. So, in this example, you see there are 4 dots with arrows. So, I know each dot is exactly 1 second. The arrow direction tells you what direction the object is going. The bigger the arrow, the faster it's going. So this one is a car moving slower than this one. They're both going the same direction. Now it's going the opposite way. 3 dots now, so this car is only traveling for 3 seconds. You can get a little bit more complicated. Here's a 10-second example. So in this example, some object is moving to the right pretty quickly for 3 seconds. It stops for 2, and then it moves backwards for 5. So for every dot you make, that's 1 second. So keep that in mind. What I find is where there's someone stopped for a little while, people will try to start moving at the end of the dot, the last dot of no movement. You have to have a separate dot for it to start moving again. A little bit more complicated is we've got 2 objects now and they're moving. So we've got object A. I can see object A is moving slower and also starts off ahead of object B. And at some point, B overtakes A. Here's a position time graph, kind of like your Dune Buggy lab. So this position time graph is showing the same exact thing. And you can see here in this graph, when A crosses B, that's them at the same position. B overtakes A. Yeah. If you have any questions, you can go over the video. And when I get back to class, y'all can ask me any questions about this.